How to add Google search bar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Search for or scroll down to find the widget you want to add. For example, Google. Once you're here, swipe to view to choose the section or the layout you want to add. Then, tap on Add Widget below. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully added the Google search bar widget to your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add Google search bar on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.